back to the channel. As you guys can see, I'm in the garage. Yeah. Just got out of work, so I'm right here about to do the oil change. Another thing, started taking out those stickers. Still missing toys, but I took that out. Still got these, snowflakes. This side is completely out already. The Toys for Tots. It's done. Car is, oh my god, it's dirty. As you guys can see, it's really dirty. So yeah, missing that. The other day I caught a flat, so in the rear on the driver's side, I was going to work and it was a rock on the middle of the highway, so I avoided from not hitting it from the front, but when I avoided, I hit the back, so the rear wheel hit it and I caught a flat. So I changed the tire and I did my studs too, because my studs in the back was gone, like they was completely stripped. So I changed that, and now I'm gonna change my oil. And by the time my car gets cold, so I could do the oil change, I'm gonna be trying to take that other side, finish taking that side, and see what else I could do. But for now, I'm gonna do oil change and finish taking those stickers out. It's a little warm right now, so I'm gonna see if I can open the water and wash the car, which I don't think is gonna be possible, but I'm gonna see what I could do. Alright, so that's what we're gonna be using. We need the jack, we need the jack stands. We're gonna get a 14 socket, and that's about it. That's all we need to do all your change. So, forgot one thing. I need to turn back on the car again, because I need to put, since the car is low, I need to put those pieces of wood and take those, put them under, so I could go over, because the jack is not gonna fit through there. So I need to get the car on again, or maybe I put them on and then I would try to, just push the car back, see if I don't, if I could have this. Let's go. So I put this here. I'm gonna go forward, so I just put them here. Okay, let's turn on real quick. So, real fast. So let's go. Alright guys, so right now we have the car already on jack stands. As you see, car's jack stand. Put them in jack stand, and I left the jack in the back, so feel more comfortable, more, you know, more safe. Alright, so filter's here if you guys don't know, but it's super hot, so we're not gonna be touching that right now. We're gonna let it dry. Well, not dry, we're gonna be letting it cool off. For now, I'm gonna try to take the sticker off, and some of the stuff I'm gonna look for. See if I can find my fog lights. They're a little messed up. See what I could do. Clean them out, because I actually got some bolts for it, so see if I can put them back out. I ordered got another thing, I gotta order the plastic I told you guys. Look. Yeah. So I gotta order plastic. See if I can put the other fog light. It's gonna go back together. I'm gonna bring it back to life. You guys, yo, this is crazy. Like, this is my first time I do this, all these stickers and stuff and shit, and I'm using this. It's so crazy how, like, I try to take it out with like nothing out, just with my hands, and it was like the worst. They were like the worst. Everybody told me, yo, with hot it comes out easier, like, man, easy. I'm like, I know, but I didn't know it was this easy. Like, I literally do this, like, look, I literally do this, and that's it. Watch. Look how easy. Look. Oh, wait, this is, you know, I'm holding the camera, so it doesn't let me. But look at this. Look at this, you guys. I was killing myself doing it in the cold. Well, the cold, you know, I told you guys I didn't have the heat gun or nothing. I was doing it in the street, and people was trying to charge me $80 to do this. Look how easy I did it. I should have hit it up a little bit more. It looks kind of dark because, you know, I'm under the car, so it's not that much light. But I'm gonna be taking everything. I think the car is already, you know, kind of cold already. So. Oh my god. Alright. So, let's see. Oh man, I gotta put some gloves. Alright, so start taking this off. Oh fuck. It was black. Ooh. So I'm gonna be, I don't know if you guys can see, pure black. Spilled a little bit there. I get it cleaned up. See that? Ooh, I needed to change it. It's been like, it was already like 4 months. I know you guys like, oh my god. It's like 4 months. I need to do a change. Finally doing it. But not really, because the car was parked most of the time, you know. I was not really driving it all the time, so, you know, it really doesn't count, but it's still black, you know. I still had to do a change. So yeah, finally we're doing it. Alright, so I already closed the bottom. I have a funnel now. I have the funnel, and I use marble. It's supposed to be 530, but I put 30. I put 10W30. It's a little thicker, so you know, it's better. I don't know, maybe other people be like, oh, but no, this is, you know, I feel better like that. I feel like oil is a little thicker, so it's better. Especially in the cold, in winter, or whatever it is. I feel it's like, you know, it's better for me. So I use it like that. I don't know. Even spoke about to my mechanic about that, and he told me it was good. It was good. And this is chain. This is not timing. This is chain. So get rid of that little noise a little bit. That little timing, that chain, you know, noise. So yeah. So I think for me it's better like that. So I'm gonna be pouring the oil now, and then turn it on to see. I think it's good. Oh, I changed the filter already. Changed this last time. Put a new one. So that's good. Alright. Oil is in. Everything is good. As you guys see, everything is good. While what I was doing, I was waiting for the the oil to come down and get cold. Took the stickers off. I'm on the way already. So I'm missing that, this one, that one, and the rest of this side. So I was killing some time. Oh, in the hood, I was killing some time, but it comes out fast. So yeah, it's coming out real fast. So I did the oil change already. Now I'm gonna be putting the oil, the old oil I use. I put it back in here. Look how black. Oh my god. This is crazy. But yeah, let's put that oil back in there and finish taking the stickers off. Alright guys, so right now I finished. Well, I didn't finish. I'm still taking stickers off. That's the only thing I got left. Just that. I'm still deciding, if I take this off and leave this or take everything off. But I think I'm gonna take everything off. It's just, it's gonna be too much. I need a wash and right now I'm just changing the studs. I'm changing the studs so I was, had one messed up, and I'm put this one and this one. I'm gonna put this too. Everything will be good. But you guys, look. So when I do videos and you hear, that's what it is. That's all that making that noise. Yeah, I got true hearts, and I still got space to go a little lower and go a little lower, and But look, that's why I don't go lower. So yeah. So I'm gonna finish putting those two studs. Put everything back together, and I'm gonna start heading out, see if I can get a wash before it goes down. And actually the temperature feels so good, so I want to catch a good place I can wash real quick myself, because I don't like nobody washing my car at all. So let's finish this and let's head out. So I want to get out of here already. Oil change is done. I turned the car on. Everything is fine. Everything. Right now I'm gonna be putting my base box back in the car, and I'm gonna finish taking the top thingies off. Everything will be ready. See if I can wash this car. Thank God I got gloves. But let's see if I find somewhere to wash and get this thing washed, because this is really dirty. Really dirty. See you guys next time in the next vlog. Let's get it.